what this is. So these are the few of the commands. What are those commands? What is git add, git commit? So how we can check from untrack to track, git status. What is the command? Git status, git log. Who committed the code? We see the git log. So what is git checkout? What is this? Git checkout, git merge. Yes, git pull, git clone. What all these commands? What is that? Git add, git commit, git checkout, git match, git pull, git push, git clone. So how many commands, guys? These are the three commands, and these are the four commands, right? So what are the commands are there in Git, right? So we'll discuss. So what is it? Git useful commands. What are the Git hyphen version? What guys? It will show the Git version. Yesterday we already showed, right? Git hyphen version. So it will show the Git version. Git version. It will shows the version of the Git installed on your machine. So Git init, it will initialize the project folder into a Git repository. So Git init, so a normal folder. So if you want to create as a local repository, Git repository, so we can initialize that. So by using the Git init command, it will initialize the project folder into a Git repository. So what is that next? Git status. So what is the Git status, guys? In simple terms, it will show you exactly which files folders have been modified. What is that, guys? So every time, so when you run the git add, so the next command is git status. Okay, the next command is, so here also the next command is git status and git commit. Sorry, git log. So the commit message, so every commit it will create the commit ID, commit message. We need to provide the commit message, commit ID, and the author, and when it was modified, where it was modified, what it was modified. Okay, yes, understood? Yeah, in simple terms, it will show you exactly which files folders have been modified. Okay, git add dot. So it will add all your files to the Git staging area. You can also add individual file to the staging area. You can use git add file name. Or so we have a multiple files. We have a multiple files. You can use just git add dot. Git add dot. So git diff. It will show the difference between a file in the staging area and a file that present in the working terrain. That file working, it will show the difference between a file in the staging area and the file that present in the working directory. Okay, so the next is git commit. So what is -m? -m is nothing but a message. So if you want to, so why you are committing, for example, so modifying the future or something like a resolving the bug, right? The commit message should be. So git commit -m message. It will save your changes into the local repository. It will save your changes into the local repository. It's a good practice to include proper commit message, which helps in debugging. So why we need, guys? It will save your changes to your local repository. It's a good practice to include a proper commit message, which helps in debugging. Guys, understood? So this is nothing but a git commit. What is git push? It will push all the local changes. It will push all the local changes from that you have made to the remote repository, remote GitHub repository. So whatever the code you write here, right? So that code will be pushed to the from your local repository to remote repository. So what is the remote repository? This is the remote repository. So you want to push that code from your local repository to remote repository, you can use a git push command. What is the command, guys? Git push command is to push the code from your local repository to remote repository. What is git pull? It will pull means fetch all the updated code from the remote branch to the remote branch and merge with your local branch. What is that? it will pull all the updated code. I already told you, right? The updated code only. So git pull is for, so whatever the updated code there in the remote, right? We need to download only that updated code. We can use the git pull command. What is the git pull? It will pull the updated code from the remote branch and merge with our local branch. Merge with our local branch. Git log. What is the git log, guys? It will list down the entire commit history. What is git log, guys? So git log is nothing but a, it will list down the entire commit history. That is all the commits that you have made till now. All the commits that have made till now. What is a git branch name? What is the branch, guys? Yesterday we discussed about it. Right? What this is the branch, this is the repository, and this is the branch. So you can create a number of branches on the repository, but a default branch is main. So while creating the repository, a default branch will be created. That branch is main branch. You can create a number of branches, and you can switch to that branches, and you can work to that branches, and you can merge the from a future branch to main branch. So the production code, all the environment code will be, the environment code will be located in the main repository, main branch. Okay. So what is a branch, guys? So this command is used to create a new branch on your local Git repository. I want to create a new branch on the local Git repository. So you are in the which branch? You are in the main branch. I want to create a new branch. What is the command? Git branch. Git branch name. This command is used to create a new branch in your local Git repository. Okay, git branch. What is that command? It will list down the all the local branches that you have created. It will list down all the local branches that you have created. I already told you, right? You can create a number of branches on our local, and you can create a number of branches on your remote also. You can create number of branches on your remote also. Understood, guys? Okay. So this is nothing but a gist branch. So once you created the branch, right? I want to list down the all the branches that are in the local repository or in here. So if you add, right, I will show you. So I will show you the creation of the repository branch, right? Yeah. So I want to list down the branches in the local. What is the command? Git branch is the command. Next, git branch hyphen a. What is that, guys? Git branch hyphen a. Git branch means it will see only the local branches. I want to see the remote branches also. I want to see the remote branches also. How you can see it? Git branch hyphen a. Hyphen a is nothing but a all. It will list down all the branches. So that is local branches plus remote branches. That's available for the checkout. That's available for the checkout. Guys, understood? Git branch hyphen d name. What is that? It will forcefully delete the
What is
specified
remote
local branch.
branches?
Sorry?
What is a remote branches?
Yeah. So remote branch is nothing but a, so this is Git ds Git 6. So whenever you create the repository, a default branch is created. What this branch? This is the main branch. What this repository? This is the remote repository. Every remote repository having the remote branches, right? Every local repository having the local branches. Understood? A repository contains a branches. So for example, so you downloaded this ds git 6. So it's downloaded the repository with the main branch because of the default branch is main branch. You want to create a branch here, you can create it under checkout. You want to switch to that branch, you can switch it, right? And whatever the work you done, right, you create you done, and you can merge that to the main repository or push it to the push it to the remote repository. I will tell you, then you will understand. Okay. Dhananjay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. You will understand. You will understand. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So it will list down the all the remote branches and it will list down the all the remote branches and the local branches that are available for the checkout. So git branch hyphen a. What is the command, guys? The command is git branch hyphen a. So the next git branch hyphen d name. What is the d, guys? So it will forcefully delete the specified local branch. I don't want the, so we already created a branch. I don't want that branch. How you can delete? You can delete by using the git branch hyphen d. I will show you practically. Just I am telling what are the commands. Okay. Yeah. Git checkout is nothing but a git checkout branch name. I want to switch from, you created the branch right here. So I want to switch that branch from main to future 123. How you can switch it? So you can switch it by using git checkout. So it is used to switch between local git branches. What is git stash? It is used to temporarily remove the changes that you made on the working tree. So on the working tree, you want to temporarily remove, you can use the git stash. Git remote. What is that, guys? Git remote. It will give the name of the remote repository. It will give the name of the remote repository, that is a origin or a upstream. What is that? So yesterday we already cloned, right? So that's the reason it will show the, so it will show the origin repository. It will show the origin repository and git remote hyphen v. What is git remote hyphen v? It will give the names as well as the URL of the remote repository. So remote hyphen v, it will show the URL also. You see? So this is the origin and what is the repository URL? This is the repository URL. What is that? This is the repository URL. Guys understood? Yeah. So these are the commands we can use it in the Git. I will show you each and every command. Just you guys listen this, what this command and how it will work. So how it will work, I will show you. Okay.